So I bought a drone on Facebook Gigi because I thought that could be interesting, could have some interesting shots. And turns out I'm not very good at flying it.
So over the past 8 months, I've been pretty much settled. I've gotten to know my four-legged neighbors, been on a couple of road trips away, picked up a new sport,
Wait, Kelly.
and even got a drone. Well, more on the drone later.
Another beautiful spring day here in Taronga.
The main reason I first settled was to work. Seeing I'm in New Zealand, it just seemed logical to work in the kiwifruit industry. The first job I had was working in a kiwi puree factory.
And typically palletizing the start of our Monday and our Thursday production days. It's where we take all the product that we've done throughout the week and we stack them up for shipment. All the frozen product to be added. So those boxes are heavy as. Now I'm heading into the fill room.
Once the factory season came to an end, I found work just down the road from where I'm currently living, at a kiwi orchard.
So luckily that storm bypassed us and it's a beautiful sunny day. So hot, wearing long sleeves because that's what you do when you work at an orchard, and I am sweating buckets right now. Every so often a bird will appear. I didn't even really realize that was a nest.
Oh yeah, you guys probably want to know what happened to that drone.
Oh, apparently I can make it fly. Yeah. Damn it. How do I stop it? So I bought a drone on Facebook Gigi because I thought that could be interesting, could have some interesting shots. And turns out I'm not very good at flying it, and I was kind of like, whatever. I'll just put it back up on Facebook Gigi and sell it again. Not a big deal, whatever. I tried it. And everyone wants to know if it flies and wants like a little video of it flying. So finally I got it to fly, and I got it to fly really high for the first time ever. And the irony is not lost on me. The one time I actually get it to fly is also the time that I get it stuck in the tree. Well, I can tell you, I was really mad about that, and I couldn't believe my luck. So I took my shoe and I tried to throw it up there into the tree to get this drone out. And I also got my shoe stuck in the tree. So now I'm just gonna sit here and wait for Brandon, my roommate, to come home and help me get this drone out of the tree. It's really irritating. All right. So at least we can get my shoe down.
Oh yeah, it's shoes in there as
well. Oh yeah, my shoe. I was so mad I chucked my shoe into the tree. I think this would be good content for my YouTube channel.
Unless you don't want it back.
Well, at least I got my shoe. Oh. So this is a drone rescue right here. Apparently I'm getting into that thing. So I'm getting into this thing and we're gonna... Alright, video it.
Ready?
Here we go.
You need to extend the broom out. Yes. Sometime today, yeah? Should be alright like that.
Well, if that doesn't make for a good video, I don't know what else will. Anyways, that's it for today.